HDR Light Studio comes with a huge range of lighting content. You can filter it by the tags, so let's look at studio lights. But there's still a massive choice. Everyone's got their favourite lights, so we've created the favourites feature. Right click on a light to add to favourites and a heart will show in the corner. Right click, remove from favourites, and it will be removed. To view only your favourites, click on the favourite button here and it will filter and show only your favourites. So whether you're looking at lights, rigs, or element images, or indeed any preset, you can now see just your favourites and use them much more easily.